To write the name for PbCl4, we need to recognize that we have this metal here bonded to some nonmetals. So when we have a metal and nonmetal, that's an ionic compound. And specifically here, we have a transition metal. So we need to think about that as well. So to write the name for PbCl4, we're first going to write the name of the metal. That's the Pb, and that's just lead. Next, we'll write the name for the nonmetal. We have the chlorine here, lowercase c, and we'll replace that INE with IDE. So at this point, we have the name lead chloride. But we said that lead, that's a transition metal. So it can have a different charge depending on what it's bonded to. Here it's bonded to 4 of these chlorine atoms. We know that chlorine has a charge of 1-. So each chlorine, when it forms this chemical bond, it'll have a 1- ionic charge. We have 4 of them. So 4 times 1-, that's 4-. The lead has to be 4+ for this to all add up to 0, to have a net charge of 0. And because we have this 4+ here, we need to write that in the name. We wrote the Roman numeral 4, and then we're going to put parentheses around it. So the name for PbCl4 is lead 4 chloride. Note, sometimes you'll also hear this called lead tetrachloride, but lead 4 chloride, that's the official name. So if you're given the name and you need to write the formula, you know that the lead, that's going to have a 4+ ionic charge because of this Roman numeral. And since chlorine always has a 1- ionic charge, you're going to need 4 of them to balance it out. So the formula would be PbCl4. The name, lead 4 chloride. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.